Saga confessed true love to Nini. If I had to choose someone to be with, it will be Nini, Saga said.
I'll just be honest, say from my heart. If I had to actually choose one person here, it would be you. So actually, that's just it. This thing I'm saying out loud.
Choose one person here, it has to be you.
Yeah. And when she said she was in a relationship, it was heartbreaking.
Yeah, she told me. She was like, yeah, I remember.
And if from the very 10 minutes I spent with you, that it would just be you that you choose one person.
Oh.
Big Brother Naija Shine Your Eye housemate Saga said that if he had to choose someone to be with, he would choose Nini. Saga said this on Thursday, day 5 of the show, while having a chat with some of the housemates, including Nini, at the dining table. The 28-year-old artist was massaging Nini's leg as he made the statement, erupting cheers from the rest of the housemates. He told Nini, "I'll just be honest from my heart. It's true. If I actually had to choose one person here, it will be you. Frankly, that's just it." Amid cheers from fellow housemates, Saga said he had liked Nini from the very first 10 minutes he met her on the show, only to be left heartbroken moments later. And when she said she was in a relationship, it was heartbreaking for me, Saga said. Well, fans have taken to Twitter to react as Saga professes his liking for Nini. Councillor Black said, "The only person that genuinely likes Nini is Saga. The rest are just joking." Another tweet reads, "From the first day, he has been following Nini like a fly. He was massaging her feet, he will massage her hips next. Saga is in love with Nini," Olurope said. So guys, and what do you think about this confession by Saga? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if it's your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the notification bell to get new info whenever a video drops. Thanks and stay safe.